not wait until projects reach out to you before you become an ambassador to programs. In this video, if you're a crypto enthusiast and you've been wondering how do people get ambassadorial role just like that, where do they see the opportunities to apply for? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a website that collates all the ambassadorial programs in the crypto space, in the blockchain space, and tailor it exactly to your needs. So if you want to become an ambassador to a particular project or to a particular company that you admire, or you've come across them and you don't even know them but you want to reach out, this is a place, this is a pool that you can actually find all of those projects and apply to become an ambassador. So when you come to this website, I am going to put the link in the description, so ensure to check there. You will see the list of projects. As you can see now, there are projects that you're already familiar with, you've seen them, but you might not have known that they are looking for ambassadors. This is a project, so you just scroll down. There are lots of projects that you can scroll down to. What are the things you need to note when you open this place to know, is this project right for me to swing in or to apply? Look at the program. Once you click this link is clickable. It would take you to the link of where you can apply. It will show you the list of things you need to do, what you have to prepare for in the application, and also to put in the application. And then you check their rewards. Is the reward something you like, or is it something you want to go to? So this one is switch for PocketFi. PocketFi is a very popular Telegram mini app that people have been playing for a while now. Playa has various specs. Some specs are unspecified, while some things are in USDT, in-game gold, and mystery prizes. So if you're a gaming person, this is for you. Apply for this. This is $500 monthly in USDT and various other perks. So these are the tags. If these are the rewards, what are the tags? These are the tags that they require for you to do, like take term. You are going to write content, engagement, event, partnerships, and referrals. For Delphinos, content, community management, event, collaboration, development, and feedback. Yeah. So what kind of tags, what kind of projects are they? Real world assets for Penomore, and it's a Deepin project as well. Aventis is a DeFi and a real world assets per project. So is it something you want to do? So when you want to know how rich is this project, there is funding as much as possible. So you check the funding that they have. The one that have not disclosed their funding, if it is uncomfortable with you, this is your decision holistically to make. So the various funding and the decision that is here for you to decide, is this something I want to go with, or is this a project I do not want to go with? Now the status, you can check the status. There are statuses that are closed. For example, you can filter it to see. Now these are the ones that are closed. So these are projects that are closed. So you can always check the projects, the ambassadorial projects that are open, and the ambassadorial projects that are closed. And these are the dates that it was open. Now in this website, it's not just ambassadorial projects I want to show you. In this website, there is a lot more. If you are always waiting for people to post Testnet before you get on it, you don't have first-hand knowledge on Testnet, but you also want to write trades on Testnet, but before you want to start writing, the entire timeline is already saturated. You can also come to this place and click on Testnet, and you can see Testnet that are launching in real time, like they just open, and you can swing into action as much as possible and start writing on this testnet and start talking about this testnet and engage in this testnet and have a first place in this testnet. For example, the open big pilot season, that's a ton project. So is this the testnet that you want to do? You just click on it and it will tell you to register and the various steps you need to register. For example, the Tari request that you should have referrals, and then you register, and then you must have referrals in order to get the program going and also to gain more points. But Enki doesn't require referrals. You can just do your test, community participation, do some trivia, do some tags, do some testing, do some bug testing, and voila, you grab it. And then another thing I wanted to show you, and now just go through everything that I said as well in the previous ambassadorial program to know what kind of tags are there, what kind of projects are there, and get to see if it's something you want to get on with. There are a lot of testnets, so just get on it as much as possible. The next one is how to earn crypto right here on this platform. If you scroll down, there are already things that you know already. For example, Goat. Goat is a Telegram mini app. Elfin Metaverse has been very popular across the time, where you just click, do referrals, daily check-in. Some people just do daily check-in and they are good. So it depends on what you want to do and you have your point. So what do you want to do in this case? So come here and check on how to earn crypto as much as possible and get on it. Now this website is so much all encompassing that it is so rich that I couldn't keep it to myself. I wanted to share it to my audience. So if you found value in this video, I hope you're following us on X. I will link my X account here, formerly known as Twitter. Get on it. Let us have a conversation. Let us begin our journey on crypto as much as possible. If you need help, drop a comment if this was helpful to you. And if you get an ambassadorial program through this website or you Testnet, come back and give a testimony about it. All right. Stay blessed and have a good life till I see you next time.